Are there good pubs in Doolin Village? If you are planning a trip to Ireland and wondering about the pub scene in Doolin Village, you are in for a treat. This charming village on the west coast is famous for its lively atmosphere and stunning scenery. When it comes to pubs, Doolin has plenty to offer. First up is McDermott's Pub. This family-run establishment has been serving locals and visitors since 1876. It features homemade meals every day and hosts traditional Irish music sessions every night during the summer months. Although it is a bit of a walk from the main village area, many say it is well worth the visit. Next, we have Gus O'Connor's Pub, located on Fisher Street. This historic pub has been welcoming guests since 1832. It boasts a cozy atmosphere complete with a roaring fire. Known for its traditional music sessions, Gus O'Connor's also serves excellent food, including a highly recommended smoked salmon dish. Then there is McGann's Pub, right in the heart of Doolin. This family-run spot offers traditional Irish music sessions 7 nights a week during the summer. Visitors praise its outdoor space, great music, and delicious pub food. The warm and friendly atmosphere makes it a perfect place to soak in Irish culture. Fitzpatrick's Bar is another popular choice in Doolin. It offers a lively atmosphere with a variety of drinks and food options. It is a great place to relax and enjoy the local vibe while mingling with both locals and travelers. For travelers, Doolin is easily accessible by car or public transport, making it a convenient stop on your journey along the west coast of Ireland. The village is also close to famous attractions like the Cliffs of Moher and the Ailwee Cave, making it an ideal base for exploring these natural wonders. When it comes to accommodation, Doolin has a range of options, from cozy bed and breakfasts to hotels. This ensures that visitors have plenty of choices to suit their needs and preferences. In Doolin, you can expect a warm Irish welcome, delicious pub food, and lively traditional music sessions. This makes it an ideal destination for travelers looking to experience authentic Irish culture. So, if you are wondering about good pubs in Doolin Village, rest assured, you will find plenty to enjoy during your visit.